Let me introduce myself to you. My name is Varsha. Today I am standing before you give a speech on a simple topic. The secret of happiness. We all live in this world. We all have different aims for future. But I'm sure that we all have one common aim and that is to be happy people, including me. Wish to be happy and enjoy happiness. But what is the true key of happiness? How do we bring happiness on our lives? We can do a variety of things to be happy with our life. The first thing is not to accept anything from anyone. No one in this world except you really care for you. So, expecting something from people is not truly a great way to be happy. We will be in tears if that expectations are not fulfilled. Second way, and the effective one, is to do what you love and love what you do. It's the simplest theory to be happy always. Whatever others say, don't get influence on their saying. Don't ever be dependent on others. Make your decision yourself and in your own way. Just believe that something good is to be happen and everything happens for a reason. Don't ever regret for anything you have done. Understand the pattern of life. Life is like a coin. It have two sides, happiness and sadness. In a trail both comes. Sometimes only one come for too many times. But it's not possible for the one side to come forever. So believe that life offers you good time to enjoy and bad times to be strong and learn. Conclusion. I'm concluding my speech by saying that to be happy, all you need is courage to face the difficulties and copy with all the stress. Thank you for being a wonderful audience. Hope you all enjoy my performance. Thank you and have a